In the ever-evolving realm of technology, Eleven Labs stands as a beacon of innovation. With its mission to transform the landscape of AI voice technology, the company is setting new standards in human-computer interaction. Eleven Labs is revolutionizing the voice generation process with cutting-edge AI technology. The company's AI-powered voice generator has diverse applications, from content creation to customer service. AI voice technology allows content creators to produce audio content without the need of human narration. AI-powered voice bots can handle customers' queries efficiently. The technology can be used to create interactive educational content as well. Now, Eleven Labs is not just another San Francisco-based startup. It's a pioneer in the AI voice generation landscape. Their AI-powered voice generator is the primary component of the voice technology research that is setting a new benchmarks in industry. The technology uses natural language processing and speech pattern recognition to generate lifelike videos. It can even adapt to different speech patterns, making it highly versatile. From e-learning modules to animated explainer videos, AI voice generators like Eleven Labs have made it possible to produce studio-quality voiceovers without the need of expensive recording equipments for professional voice actors. These AI-generated voices are created using advanced machine learning algorithms and can mimic human speech patterns, intonations, and accents with astonishing accuracy. These AI-generated voices offer an unparalleled level of realism and quality, ensuring that your message is delivered in a seamless and professional manner. So in order to start turning text to speech, head to the Eleven Labs homepage. Go to the favorite browser and type for Eleven Labs. Now after you have done that and you're led to this page here, in the homepage it's not that necessary even to sign up or log in. Simply select a voice in order to narrate the text. Make sure that you type in some of the texts and simply choose the voice from the drop-down menu right here. Now after this is done with, simply click on the play icon right here.
Let's use Eleven's Labs together and generate any voices together.
However, in the home page, you are limited on how many characters you can turn into speech. Let's head over to the pricing now. The awesome thing is that the base plan is entirely free, and you can use this tool for free as well. In the free plan, you get 10,000 characters per month, and this feature gets renewed every month, which works for about 8 to 10 minutes worth of speech. What sucks is that you cannot use this thing commercially, but you sure can give this thing a try and decide if you want the premium ones later. And also, attribution should be done to Eleven Labs. Next one is the Starters Pack. For the first month, it's just $1, and later it jumps to be up to $5. You get up to 30,000 characters per month, which is the text-to-speech for about 30 minutes. One of the major difference and major feature in this pack is that you get instant voice cloning, which means that I can upload myself talking and upload a text, and the text is read aloud by the AI using my voice, apparently. Make sure that you sign in or sign up with your account if you do not have an account already. Now here is the speech synthesis tab, which means that in this text box right here, we type the text and AI generates the speech as per the text that we input. Benefits of getting an account is that you get a much larger characters input criteria than without going with an account. In this page, you can simply choose one of the voice by going through this drop-down menu and even preview them and use them as per your choice.
The fox has many tricks. The hedgehog has but one, but that is the best of all.
Below we have the voice setting where you can adjust the stability and cutity and similarity enhancements. Now this will cause the voice to sound a little expressive rather than sounding straightforward. Here in this section we type in the text, and more text you type in, better will the model work. It will be more expressive and the tones of the words will be as per the information in the text. For example, here we type, "This is a super happy news. I'm really happy to hear about that," and we simply click on generate. Then the tone of the voice in which the text is narrated will be happy as well. You can have the stability changed and the factors on how the tone should go as per your choice from the settings icon I described before, or simply click on generate again and the AI might change the tone with a slight difference. If you scroll a little up, you see that there is an option of add voice as well, which allows you to add your own voice too, or you can simply go to Voice Labs. Now, the ones who do not have the starter pack and are using the free pack might not get access to this. I too am a free pack user and still trying this out, but I might as well incline into the starter packs as this AI tool is super awesome. In the Voice Lab section, we have two options. Either you want to create a synthetic voice from scratch for which you ought to head over to the voice design, or instant voice cloning, where you can recreate an AI version of your voice. For the voice design, click on it, select a gender, either male or female, select the age group, and select the accent. Then give it a text prompt to have it converted into speech like before, and hit generate, and here we go.
First, we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters, and we thought it was a typewriter.
Here we can also select use voice for the synthetic voice, so create it and use it on your future projects. For the instant voice cloning, you need to upload a sample video of yourself speaking. AI will simply copy the voice and read the text out aloud that you have input as a prompt in your own voice. Apparently, they recommend uploading at least 5 minutes of audio, and the important thing you need to do is agree by the terms and conditions of the 11 Labs, which states that you will have the right to your own voice, where you need to mark as tick. And simply click on add voice and it adds your voice. Now let's go to the speech synthesis again. Go to settings, select the duplicate of your voice and give it a prompt and hit on generate. Going to the history tab will show you the voice and projects you have recently created, and in case you want to recover that back again, this will come to use. So that's it. With the voices sound being so natural, it's hard to tell they are generated by voice AI.
You know, they say, I'm loving it, and let me tell you, I love it too.
Hearing a voice in an audiobook will be indistinguishable in the near future, as that may be an AI that is keeping the voiceover artists out of job. Who knows, even my voice might be an AI for this video. Whether you need a voiceover for e-learning modules, marketing campaigns, or animated explainer videos, 11 Labs AI Voices has got you covered. Thank you very much.